Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Fourth Element 3mm gloves. So these are a really nice flexible thinner glove where you just need something to protect your hands from the cold, but you still want plenty of dexterity. These have been improved since the previous version. There's a few clever little things in and around them. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how they arrive. Very minimal packaging. It's just kind of the gloves itself, a little rubber band, and then this piece of cardboard with 3mm neoprene gloves, outstanding dexterity. The size on them, you can see a hint at the Octo-print that you'll see in a second. Just some information about the gloves themselves and a barcode. So let's take a closer look at the gloves themselves. Okay, so here are the gloves. So on the back side, minimal detailing. You've only got a little Fourth Element logo on the back of your hand, one big open panel that encompasses the thumb, two of your fingers, and then all the way back round to create this one big open section. That's how it can be so flexible. The palm itself, this is Octo-print, so you have these little sort of hexagons that get smaller and smaller as they go down to the fingertips. So again, it's detailing, but it allows that sort of section of neoprene to bend and flex as you need your fingers to. And this detailing, when this gets wet, and even when it's not wet, it's kind of sort of tacky in that it grabs onto things, so it gives you that grip when you're in the water. All of these seams, you can see these have been glued from the outside, so if you do sort of cut through it, that whole seam isn't going to run through, but also it means that water can't penetrate through the stitching or through the gap between the neoprene. So again, it's slowing down water ingress. Now this section here, this is the tacking that they often refer to on their website, and that if you want to cut that cuff a little bit shorter, it has this bar across, which means that if you cut along this section, it's going to sort of keep it. Basically, you're making it about an inch shorter, and it's not going to unravel that seam. Now, putting them on, let's see what they feel like. Very easy to get on. I always love 3mm gloves. They're always very easy to get on. So my hands, traditionally I go for a size large. These gloves, that I ordered, these are a size large, so they do come up pretty much to size, and yeah, very comfortable. On the inside, I can't feel that stitching at all. Sometimes they can get a little bit scratchy, but I can't feel it anywhere. Even when I sort of push my finger into it, you can't feel that stitching, so very, very comfortable. As far as flexibility and dexterity, wonderful. Yeah, and the cuff length itself, not unusual, but if you did want it to be a little bit shorter, you can do that, so it's not sort of overlapping or getting in the way of your wetsuit or your dry suit. But all in all, yeah, very nice, very comfortable glove and plenty of dexterity. Okay, so that's the Fourth Element 3mm gloves. A nice, very flexible, plenty of dexterity glove. They come up pretty true to size, and yeah, definitely worth investing in if you're diving in kind of temperate waters or sort of shorter dives where you want dexterity, but you don't want to go up to like a 5mm, so you start to lose dexterity. 3mm is that good sort of all-rounder. It's a little bit thinner, so on longer dives your hands might get a little bit cold, but you still have some protection. Definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.